Fallacy, an idea or belief that is false. Redeeming, compensating for the bad qualities of a person or thing. Bring oneself, to make oneself do something one does not want to do. Cut one's losses, to stop doing something that will be unsuccessful before it causes more loss or harm. Alternative, one of two or more options or possibilities. What's done is done. How to avoid the sunk cost fallacy. If you've invested time, money, or energy into a project, it's not easy to see it fail. Most of us have seen a project go wrong, whether it's in business or something personal, even a relationship. But it's what happens next that's perhaps more important. Do you keep investing more of those resources, or do you accept it's not working and walk away? Economists and psychologists alike say we're quite likely to keep investing in the project precisely because of those investments we've made in the past. And there's a name for this, the sunk cost fallacy. Jobs' website Indeed describes the sunk cost fallacy as the mistake that you make by further investing into an already poor decision, resulting in a waste of resources. It may not actually have been a bad decision to begin with, but the fact remains that those invested resources are gone. In other words, they're sunk. You could think of them being at the bottom of the ocean. They're gone, and they're not coming back. That doesn't mean the project won't have any redeeming value, but the fallacy is including those sunk costs in future decision making. Imagine you buy tickets to see a movie. You start watching, but the movie is terrible, and it just seems to be getting worse. Nevertheless, you feel like you should stay and watch until the end. You've paid for this, after all, and that's the fallacy. The money is gone, but still you're trying to somehow recover the cost of the ticket by continuing to watch, even when it's no longer enjoyable. That's quite a harmless example. For businesses, the consequences could be more serious, wasting money because they couldn't bring themselves to cut their losses. So, how can this be avoided? It's easy, according to social psychologist Jim Everett. He told the BBC, it's a matter of taking a step back and thinking through the alternatives, and thinking about future benefits, not about any losses in the past.